Oh, yes!
Hello everyone, today I'm with Tom Cardy. We've got a portable ramp behind us down there on the floor.
And we're in Danbury Common. The idea of today is to see what kind of features we can make more exciting by adding the use of the ramp.
So, let's get to the first spot.
We brought the ramp over to this little zone. We're going to hip into the landing and then fly out and do some tricks. Should be sick.
Tom's dropping in to send. Nice. That ramp's so cool, it like completely changes everything. I'm gonna like kick out a bit on the ramp and launch off there again. There we go, with a tuck. Your turn, cards.
Nice.
Yes.
That's pretty fun. The kicker works really good. I think it's going to make for an exciting day of riding. Let's go find another spot.
Right, we brought the ramp in front of this little tree branch and I'm gonna launch over it. Hopefully my front wheel doesn't go into the tree. Oh,
Nice.
yeah.
How was
That
it?
was actually cool. I'm gonna jump it again, that was fun.
Yeah, the manual.
That fully tyre slid down there. That was all cool.
Nice one, man. That looks sick.
You could definitely do it on your bike.
You reckon?
It's just, you got to be careful. Try a run up to it
Yeah,
and
I'll
see.
give it a go. Yeah, that'd be fine, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
So I just tested the run up. The thing I was worried about is really rooty and not much space to gain your speed. And with the non-e-bike, I didn't know if I'd actually get the speed to clear it, but I think it's possible, so I'm going to hit it.
Send it.
We put the kicker in front of a mini drop, and the landing's funny because it's like in two parts. There's actually a steeper bit which is a bit further, so if you can make it to that, it's going to be extra smooth.
Nice. Good or what?
Yeah, that's good, mate. That's a belly in the mouth. Belly in the mouth moment, that one, isn't it?
Sound.
Jesus.
I think with a bit more gas I can go a bit further, so I'm going to give it another go.
Nice. That last shot of cars as well, sick. Your wheel almost touched the camera. I'm going to send it all the way to that landing down there. Whoa!
Oh! Wow, he was going fast.
That was massive. And I got all like speed wobbly, didn't I, at the end?
Oh!
I want to move it back now and aim to land just below the drop there. So I'm going to put the ramp back miles. We'll start with that.
So fair size now.
Easy. That's actually cool, but I can seriously go miles on there.
Go on, get it back then.
I might have to come in from a different angle though. That can't even be possible, can it?
Oh my god.
There's like an actual log before as well, look. I'm gonna have to have a test run at that. That's really far, isn't it?
That is miles. Like,
Watch this then.
oh my god! What the hell?
I just touched, didn't I? That's so
That's
far.
far. That's really far.
I think you could go bigger though. If it was the other side, you know?
If you actually had a straight run. Yeah, that's what made that gnarly.
If it was on the other side, it might be more insanium.
Wow, look, he's jumping this ramp. No. No way.
Bit of wood under there. That's actually the dream now. That is so long.
That is massive.
I need to get a fully long run up down the actual track though, because I don't have enough speed otherwise.
My god.
I cased like this much, so cars is going to stay here now. I'm going to clear it and you'll be able to see how big it actually is from this angle. That was so sick. I had to bomb so hard, and when I was coming into landing you couldn't really see, but I just had to lift the back wheel over this. I was supposed to aim for there and I had to go here, so I actually went a foot longer than the last time. We've moved the ramp now to this bank, so it's going to make this into like a fly out to flat. Tom's up there, he's going to send it right now.
Woo,
Nice.
it's easy. I'm going to do a no-footed can-can out of it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Whoa,
Nice.
that was huge.
That looks good. Have a go at that, see what you think.
Oh,
That's
massive.
right.
I'm going to get a bar spin on the go.
Yes. Nice. Bees.
I'll 180 it while we're there.
Right.
I want to do more, but I want you to do more.
Alright.
You're going to 180 it?
Yeah, I want it, yeah.
Cool. Right. Stomp.
My front wheel nearly bonked the tree there.
Oh yeah?
I was looking at it in the air, it was like this close.
Oh, that's scary for the 3.
Yeah, is that what you're going for now?
I'll 180 bar it,
Okay, cool.
and then I'll move it over for a 3.
Okay, sick.
Oh!
Ooh, massive.
Wow. My front wheel did almost hit the tree.
Yeah, it's close, isn't it?
Actually, I'm just going to 180 and hit my front wheel on the
A
tree.
180 bonk?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
I think that would be cool.
Oh, yeah.
On further inspection, I think I can bonk 360. That would be so good.
That'd be epic.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Right, now I'm going to land the 180 bar spin.
Very nice. Before we move on to the next spot, we've just moved the ramp over so that we can do some 360s.
Oh
Nice.
yeah, that was well good.
Nice. That was really nice.
That's cool. It's lovely that you can take that thing anywhere and make
A session?
stuff good.
Yeah.
Like you wouldn't be able to do that how it was, would we? Awesome.
To that.
It looks like it's going to rain. Let's try and find another spot before hell breaks loose.
We've created quite a death scenario in front of us here. We've put the kicker there, and there's like this chute here which takes you into some berms. However, it's really tight, and the consequences are quite big because if you don't stop, I mean it's not a big gap at all. However, if you don't stop, there's trees, steep drops, and all kinds of features that you just don't want to come across while you're riding your bike. So it's going to be a challenge, this one. Scary, I think. Oh my god, that's terrifying. That is so scary. That's one of the worst ideas we've ever had. Let's try it once more.
Oh! Oh! Oh yes, with the leg out, that was cool. It's actually so stupid. So horrible. But yeah, I'm gonna try it. Let's.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that was so damn.
Oh, you went straight.
I honestly thought I was going into the tree then. That was so
Scary, isn't it?
Right, I'm gonna do it again.
Oh, yes. Wow, you nearly died as well again.
That's so insane. It's fun though because it's tiny but really difficult. Here we go, clean one.
Oh my god, that was insane.
It doesn't even look like anything.
No,
but it's,
the fire on the corner was nice.
it's so horrible. So I'm not doing that again. It is so dark now. I actually hate the winter for this because it's just 3 o'clock and it's already dark. That's so weird. I guess the woods don't help. But we're gonna pack this thing up and get out. Right, we're packed up and that is the end of the video. That was so much fun. It was awesome to ride with Tom. I love taking the ramps to sort of bike park places and making it way different. Like, it's so cool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. That'd be awesome if you leave some comments, and be sick if you subscribe. See you in the next one. To the score!